Okay, one of the things I have to do is change the oil in the engine. I've got a problem with the sump plug. It's a bit seized, so I'm going to heat it up, cool it, tap it, and see if I can break the threads, or separate the threads microscopically and make it easier for me to pull off. So here we go. That black as it comes. Definitely needed a change. So a good point of reference, this down here is a centrifugal oil filter, and as it spins it sends any muck to the edge, and I've taken it off, and this is the chamber. Well, I haven't taken it off, Steve took it off, but I'm going to put it back on. In these compartments collects all the crap in the oil, and yeah, it's all clean now. Okay, so going on with the process of dealing with the seized handbrake system, I've taken off the drum, and what have I discovered? Well, you see here that broken washer that lived there on this ring just about here, and you can see part of it still there. That was sitting at the bottom of the drum in the car, and so we had to replace this washer. So I'm going to see if I can source one. You can see what it's like there. It's very hanging on a thread. No wonder it's seized. Look at that scuff there on the brake pad. There's probably a lot of damage, maybe, I don't know. I'm not an expert about these things, but I just got to take this apart now. Yeah, we'll just do that at the moment, so we can release the parts, clean it, and then reassemble it when we have the new washers here. So I'm just going to reassemble it now, or disassemble it. So at the moment I have been working on the rear brakes and replacing the old shoes here with new ones, and also the cylinder here. So I got a plaster on my finger. The cylinder here, that's the old one there. That's one to go on the other side, and my job now is to try and get a spring on here. So I got the lights. My job is to try and get a spring, this spring here, in place. It's going to be very difficult, but we'll figure out how to do it, I suppose. So let's get on. Right, so I have redone the rear brakes. I put new shoes in them, changed the cylinders, and now the wheels are back on. The handbrake's back on. It's now firm when it used to come all the way up. And all that needs to be done now is to lower the car, fill the radiator up, plug in the battery, and she should run, and the gears should change. So